welcome to the second issue of INTERGEO News on Wednesday. INTERGEO 2023 unlocks geospatial innovations potential. Here, within the exhibition halls at Messe Berlin, you can explore trends, tech, and meet the people shaping our world through geospatial excellence. Only here you can discover solutions and services for a smarter world where inspiration meets innovation.
Today we are here because we are going with our school. We are becoming technicians in surveying techniques, and so we just visit here.
To inform you about, let's say, new products and also talk to colleagues and friends.
The trend goes to smart city, building, information modeling and so on, and that's what I'm interested in.
BIM definitely, and also AI.
In the construction industry, we have a big innovation in the form of the artificial intelligence, which is also always somehow of great interest to everyone.
We need those pictures from drones to work and get better quality from the images, and that's the most important thing for us.
I'm looking for a PhD position.
I met my clients from Australia, from UK, even from US, Canada.
I'm helping my boss to network, so we're trying to open new doors for South America.
On Tuesday morning, INTERGEO kicked off with the opening of the conference and the keynotes for 2023. Keynote speaker and Esri founder, CEO Jack Dangermond, emphasized right at the beginning, we must act now. We all live beyond our means and produce too much carbon dioxide. This must stop, Dangermond said. He also said, the time is yours. Geography is the language of our world. You all have enormous opportunities to contribute as experts. Earlier, Professor Rudolf Steiger, president of the organizer DVW, opened INTERGEO. Ministerial Director Jörn Thiessen from the Federal Ministry of the Interior and Community spoke on behalf of patron Nancy Faeser. He underscored the critical importance of geoinformation for political decision makers, highlighting its role in bringing clarity into a disorderly world. Professor Paul Becker, president of the Federal Institute of Cartography and Geodesy, showed in his lecture the construction sites in dealing with geodata. One example, geodata are increasing at an explosive rate. AI is the key to this data. And Trimble Vice President, Survey and Mapping, Scott Crozier, ended with an appeal. Let's raise the potentials to create the challenges of the time. So innovation thrives when experts collaborate. And INTERGEO embodies this spirit of progress and collaboration with inspiration for a smarter world as its guiding motto. So INTERGEO 2023 will present a new thematic area called Unmanned Systems. The area will focus on the latest developments and applications of unmanned systems in the fields of air, water and ground. And reporter Caro was on site for you and took a look around.
Thanks, Denise. Yes, I'm here with Michael Wieland from UAV Dach, and the white cube behind us is the Unmanned Systems area. Tell us, what's going on in there?
Yeah, thank you for having me. Yeah, I'm very delighted to take part in that program here and to moderate the conference. We have joined forces, the DVW, DGPF and UAV Dach, to bring technology of today to the experts, and that's what we do in the conference program here.
Tell us a bit about the topics. What are the important innovations they are talking about?
Well, it's not only about innovation, it's about how to apply the current technology today to make business with it. That's the most important part. It's about geospatial solutions, how we can use this data for solutions in the outer world outside the aviation business, the unmanned aviation business, but how to combine also the data and how to use the current updates of the technology to get even better, more precise and more towards the application needed out there.
And why was it needed to do a separated area?
Well, normally on fairs you mix up everything. It's a lot of product presentation. It's about selling. This is different. The conference really goes into details. There we exchange data, we discuss the facts and figures, and we can also talk about innovations. We do not sell the products in the conference, and that's why we ask for a little fee. But I think it's more worth it. And I think when we look inside, we see a lot of people just clapping their hands. That is really worth to join this conference.
Let's have a look into the future. What is going on in the UAV technologies?
Well, it's as always. A new technology will only come to a normal technology that we do it or use it every day when there is an advantage. Either it's faster, it's a higher quality, or it's cheaper. Drones are quite fast because they can fly the direct line, and their quality with better and better cameras is going up and up. But when it comes to price, we still need pilots, and pilots are human resources. So we see a topic on the conference program, and this is a hot topic in the future, is more and more automation, that one pilot can control several drones, that several drones do their jobs automatically and every day or every week. So we have more and more automation. It's not autonomy. There is still somebody controlling the entire operations, but we will see more automated processes, and that is the real advantage. We will talk today about it.
So thank you very much for the insights, and back to you, Denise.
So thank you very much, Caro. And if you are here within the exhibition hall, so come by and see us in Hall 5.2 in the INTERGEO TV studio. Because here we meet interesting guests who share their knowledge with us and give us important insights into current trends and developments. Take a look.
What actions is Trimble taking to promote sustainable development?
So I think, it comes down to, if we can capture the world in real time regularly, then it opens up from that data set, it opens up analysis tools to look at the change in the world, and then from there you can determine carbon utilization, where it's being utilized efficiently and where there is excess utilization of carbon. And from there you can plan efficiently and to optimize processes to minimize the carbon footprint.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Here at INTERGEO, you're also the hosts of a panel discussion with the very exciting title AI and Earth Observation for Sustainability, Key Trends and Opportunities. And could you provide us some insights into the core themes and objectives of this session?
That's one of the, the key partnership areas which we're exploring together with INTERGEO this year. So I'm moderating the panel. We've got 5 wonderful guests, and the idea was to focus on Earth observation and see how it's transforming the industry, especially the world, for the better. So we have people from USPA, we have people from PwC, from Up42, Planet, and a startup called Tilebox. So it's a wide variety of people. It's a very diverse panel, so I'm really, really looking forward to moderating it.
How do you see the potential of the implementation of AI into products and services, like ArcGIS or some other Esri products, for example? How important is that, and what significance has it?
I think it had already significance, also in the past. So when we are talking about the use of data, we talked, I think Paul Becker was mentioning this morning about meteorological data from DVD, talking about 200 petabytes.
Yeah.
And if you would like to analyze this data, you can't do it by hand. So you need things like artificial intelligence to get out of this huge amount of data, to get real information.
So you have so many options here. You can visit the 560 exhibitors with all their novelties, solutions and products. Or you can listen to the speakers on the stages. Or just attend the INTERGEO TV interviews. And of course, the conference is also waiting for you with these highlights.
After a very successful first conference day, we now look forward to the second day. What do smart cities of the future look like, and what contribution does the geo community make to this? The parallel sessions will shed light on the topic of BIM in all its facets, starting from the significance of BIM in Germany to new fields of application and potential future opportunities, especially in the infrastructure sector. In the German Cartographic Congress, a key focus will be on artificial intelligence, which is now being used and discussed in cartography. Enjoy the INTERGEO conference on Wednesday.
So please don't forget, check the official INTERGEO app to see what you really should not miss today. And of course, enjoy your day here at INTERGEO. And please join the party and the exhibitors evening tonight and see you there. Thanks for joining INTERGEO TV. Bye.